In today's comprehensive walkthrough, we're diving deep into the incredible world of Teachable software. Teachable is an incredible platform that empowers you to create and sell your own online courses. Whether you're a seasoned educator, an entrepreneur looking to share your expertise, or someone with a passion to teach, Teachable can help you turn your knowledge into a thriving online business. In this tutorial series, we will walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring that by the end of this series, you'll be a Teachable pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. Click on the first link which is given in the video description. This is an exclusive affiliate link which will provide you with 40% discounts if you decide to purchase a plan using this link. It will take you to this page. Here, let's set up an account on Teachable. Alright, now click on the Start for Free option. It will redirect you to this page. On this page, fill in the name, email, and a strong password, and then check this box, then click on the Create Account. Now, on this page, you will have to answer all these questions, like whether you run an online business, how big your organization is, what are the things you offer, and more. Answering these questions will give you a more personalized experience. Simply answer all these questions, and then click Next. Now, on this page, you will see a display message that will say that you've been upgraded to a 14-day free trial plan. You can explore more plans by clicking on this Explore Plans option. We will click on the Got It button. This is the dashboard of Teachable. From here, you can start creating a course, digital downloads, and set up coaching services. Let's start creating an online course. So click on the Start Building button. Here, fill in the name of your online course. You can also take help of Teachable to generate the outline of your course by checking this box. Then click on the Continue button. On this page, you have to describe your course. And once you're done, click on the Continue with Outline button. We will simply choose the Use a Blank Document option. On this page, click on the Start Building option. This is the course curriculum. First thing first, let's add a thumbnail. So click on this Add an Image button and simply drop the image. From here, you can change the template for your course. Currently Teachable offers only two templates, that is, Simply and Colossal. Now, here, let's start building our curriculum. So click on the Build Your Outline option. It will take you to this page. Here, it will ask you that whether you want to start creating from scratch, generate from AI, or copy sections and lessons from an existing course. Here, select the Start from Scratch option. In the Course Builder, you can add content to your course. For a 7-day program, you can create 7 sections, one for each day. Within each section, add lessons related to sales and marketing topics. These can be text, video, or multimedia lessons. So, let's give a name to our section. And within these sections, by clicking on this button, you can add lessons. These are the content that we have created. Once you create all the content, click on the Quick Actions option. And select the Publish All button. Will make your lessons and sections go public. You can take a preview of the section by clicking on the Preview button. Here is the preview of the section that we have created. To edit this, click on the Edit as Admin option. It will take you back to the editor. Now let's come back to our dashboard. As you can see, the lesson is empty right now. To add content, click on this lesson. And here click on the Add Content button. The right panel would show various options for your content like text, videos, audios, PDFs, and more. I have already added a banner image for this content piece. Now, click on the Text and Images block. Let's add some text here. There are various text modification settings like bold, italic, underline, embed links, images, and various alignment settings on the top. You can customize all the settings as per your specifications. And then hit Save. Now let's come back to the curriculum. Next we have the pricing. So, click on the Create a Pricing Plan option. And then click on the Add Pricing Plan option. On this page, we have various options like free, one-time purchase, payment plans, and subscriptions. We will select the free option. Here, you have to fill in the name, subtitle, and description. At last you will get options, like you can limit the course by an expiration date or time, and you can add limited product access duration. Set these settings as per your requirements. Then click on the Add Free Plan option. Alright, next, we will add a thank you page in the course. So click on the Sales Page option. Here you will get various page options like Sales Page, Checkout Page, and Thank You Page. Scroll to the Thank You page, and here let's take a preview of this page by clicking on this option. Right now, this Thank You page doesn't have any images. Now, let's add some personalizations. So let's come back and edit the page. Click on this Edit button. It will redirect you to the editor. Simply, click on the Add New Block option. It will give you a list of options that you can add to this thank you page. We will select the image. So, click on the image and then click on this Add button. And then add the image. You can also align the image, text, and button by simply dragging and dropping. Once you are done customizing the page, you can take a preview of it by clicking on this option. Now, click on the Update option. And you're done. Now let's come back to our main page. Now let's see how the students will enroll in the course. So, now, click on the 3 dots option. And here you'll get various options. Now click on the Copy URL link. And then paste this link in your browser. It will open the sales page. Here, click on this button and then select the Preview as Public option. Now, you can enroll in this course and you're good to go. That's how the students will enroll in the course. Now let's move further in the video. Next we will set up the drip. So, click on the Content Drip option. The drip content schedules the content to be released at specific times to keep students engaged. Now, click on the drip option. We will set up the drip according to our 7 days free sales and marketing course. So, fill in the drip option and the releasing days. Now let's add some information about the course that we have created. So click on the Information button, and here, fill in the details, like course description, course image, and the author name. And then hit Save. Now, click on the Course Settings option. Here you can change the visibility settings and the category of your course. There are various other settings that you can explore according to your requirements. Simply save these settings and you are good to go. Next, let's add some coupons. So click on the Coupons option. And here, click on the Add New Coupon button. Now, simply fill in the discount percentage, pricing plan, couple code, expiry date, and availability. Then click on the Save button. On this page, by clicking on this option, you can take a preview of the coupon that we have created. You can also edit the coupon by clicking on this option, and by clicking on the 3 dots we can archive the coupon. Now let's set up order bumps. So click on the Order Bumps option. Order bumps are additional offers or product suggestions that are presented to customers during the checkout process, typically on an e-commerce website. Here, click on the Create a New Order Bump button. And here fill in all the necessary details about your products. Then hit Next. And you're done. Now let's come back to our dashboard. Now let's publish the course, so click on the Publish button. And here click on the Publish Course button. Now you will see a display message that will say, "Congratulations, you have launched your course." From here, you can copy the link of your course. So let's quickly copy the link by clicking on this button. Now we will paste this link in our browser. This is the page of our course that we have created. Now let's come back to our dashboard. From here you can keep a track of all your sign-up scores, activities, and analytics of the course. Now click on the View Your School option. From here, you can see all your active or published courses and products. The left panel will display various options which you can use and explore. In this video, we will discuss some important features. Click on the Site option, it will display various options. Here, we have various sites, themes, domains, navigation, and more. So, click on the domain, and here click on the Add Domain option. This will add a personalized domain. Simply set the settings according to your requirements. Finally, let's have an overview of various plans in Teachable. Teachable offers 3 plans to upgrade. The basic plan typically includes features like unlimited video, quizzes, and coaching products. It may also provide basic customization options for your course website. The professional plan is suitable for more serious course creators. It often includes features like graded quizzes, advanced customization options, integrated affiliate marketing, and no transaction fees. The Pro Plus plan is designed for high-volume course creators and businesses. It usually offers advanced reporting and analytics, white labeling, bulk student enrollment, and priority support. Choose among these plans that is suitable for you. There are many features that we can try and explore to make our content more valuable and personalize. Just like this, in the same way, you can create digital downloads or set up a coaching service. Teachable is a popular online course platform that allows individuals to create and sell their courses online, sell digital downloads, and set up a coaching service. Customize all these according to your requirements, and you are good to go. Congratulations, you've just completed this tutorial on Teachable. I hope you found this guide helpful in getting started with this incredible online course platform. Teachable is a user-friendly and powerful platform designed to help you create, market, and sell your online courses. Whether you're an educator, entrepreneur, or simply passionate about sharing your knowledge, Teachable provides you with the tools you need to reach a global audience. Now that you've got the basics down, feel free to explore Teachable further to make your online courses even more engaging and profitable. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and with Teachable, you're empowered to share your knowledge with the world. If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video.